Onyx Hose Tube sells to a lot of distributions. We also sell to OEMs. We have in our line of products probably every kind of thermoplastic you can think of. Everything under the sun, we've run it. We do tie layers, we do co-extrusion, we do all kinds of interesting things, and we really get hooked on some of those projects that other people might shy away from. DELMIAWorks runs this company, and I wanted to make sure when we chose this package that it went from not the sales order, because that's not where life starts, from the quotation. You need to start from the quotation, from the design, and DELMIAWorks does that. You need to be able to do the full life cycle in your business in the one program. As far as the market this year, with all the price increases, we've been able to run reports that show forecast costs now. We're not even dealing with today's cost, because today is just for inventory valuation. It doesn't do you any good when you're trying to sell a product. By the time I can make it right now, my cost has gone up twice already. So we have started to do forecast costing with DELMIAWorks. And the forecast costing, I keep up to date to the most recent price increase, so that when our salespeople sell, they're basing it on that cost. It's been powerful in terms of trying to manage the insanity of these price increases and the change in the exchange rate as well. As Canadians, we went from $137 last year to $120 today. Same time frame. Like, that's just a crazy swoop for us to deal with. And it's happened all within the last 6 months. So if we weren't able to be quickly reactive, put our prices up as we go, we could have been in a really catastrophic place. The reports you get from the system, from DELMIAWorks, it's that allows you to analyze where you are, see where you're going, and figure out what the path is that's going to get you there. The supervisors enter their data on a daily basis, and they get full shift report, employee efficiency, line efficiency, week, month, day, year. You set the parameters, you get what you want. At Onyx, DELMIAWorks, and the schedule in particular, and the connection to production, the communications that it opens up, has improved our efficiency overall. The ability to pull out the data you need to see what happened the last run, to see what happened the run before that. It's improved our productivity from low 80s to mid to high 90s. It's just been tremendous in terms of supporting the enhancements that our staff would like to do. I love DELMIAWorks because I sit at my desk as the president of the corporation, and I see everything. I can look at every detail of everything I want to see. And the fellow on the line who's running the machine can see absolutely everything he needs to see. And everyone in between is able to get to whatever they need. And you don't even get off your chair. It's all there. If you want to see the last 6 months how this particular product ran, it can show you a little chart in about a click of a button that on A line it ran at this percentage, and at B line it ran at this percentage, and at C line you shouldn't run it there because it didn't do well. There's little tools like that all over the place. The time it saves everyone by being able to just drill down further and further into the process. It's an incredible tool, and I'm so pleased that this is the tool we chose. I'm so pleased. There's just too much to do in a day, and what it does is it allows you to get your work done in a timely manner so you can think. That's the key to most successful operations, is allowing people some time to blue sky think. If all you're doing is doing, then you never improve anything. DELMIAWorks works because all the information is the same. You can't fudge numbers. They're all in there, and they go straight up to the accounting and the financial statement. So every aspect of what you're doing, including closing a work order and showing material use, all of that is going straight to the balance sheet. You look at other systems and there's like a break between production and financials. There is no break here. Every step of the way through your production process is driving into the balance sheet. and the profit and loss. You took too long? Guess what? We know. You worked better and you were more efficient? Guess what? We know. There's nowhere else the data comes from. It comes from our one system that goes end to end. The truth is always there. From the hosers in Canada A, DELMIAWorks, you've changed our business.